What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video from Southsideboystyle. I know it's been a while. I've been busy. I'm building an addition on my house. Anyway, guys, enough about me. So the time is on us again for winter season here in Newfoundland, and that means salt and sand on the roads, which means broken windshields, all that stuff, cracks, chips, nicks and dings. And I'll show you this crack. Here it is right here, guys. Yep, a rock struck up in the corner, and in the last few days this crack went from that to that, which sucks, but it is the way it is. So now we're going to go and we're going to get it fixed. We're going to take a trip to Gander and we're going to get a new window installed. And I'm on my way into Gander, which you can see is 40 kilometers away, so it's about a 45-minute drive from where I live. So me and the van and the cracked windshield are on our way. And this is the big part of the problem, everybody. In Newfoundland, in my area, they use a sand salt mix, and you get the spray when they salt the roads, and you get the spray from the tires behind big trucks coming at you. Rocks hit the windshield, and that's how they crack. It's unfortunate. This is the second windshield since last season, but it is what it is, and once a crack comes in a window, you can't fix it. A chip is different. You can fix a chip, but you can't fix a crack, so that's why we're on our way. And we're done. We're just leaving the glass shop. New window installed, windshield, sorry. And it's done with the new Enduro coat that's last up to a year, anti-glare, slush, ice, rain repellent, all that nice stuff. Got all new wipers installed. So I'm back. The new window is installed. Had it done in Gander. Remember, the crack was going across right here. Now, I know a lot of you guys would say, well, why would you rush off right away and get a new windshield? But, well, it's a taxi car, so you got to have a new windshield. Highway enforcement checks on these cars a lot, so you can't have no cracks in your windshield. Chip, not so bad, but a crack, well, that's bad all the way. And as we all know, cracks, they tend to spread quickly, and the crack that was in it for the couple days I had to wait for my appointment was spreading. It actually spread across here, started to go down, and it's pretty rough. I want to talk about this windshield. So they did EnduroShield on this windshield, which is supposed to take the glare off lights in the nighttime, and I did find that worked. I also noticed that when the sun was shining on the pavement, in wet pavement, it was taking the glare off that as well. So that seemed to work pretty good. You guys let me know if you ever used EnduroShield. All they do is just spray it on the front windshield and wipe it in, let it sit, and then that's all good. And that's how they do that. I noticed they didn't set the arm right here perfectly when they reinstalled the wipers, and also I had all new wipers installed, all new winter's wipers, and on the rear also a new winter's wiper was installed. I was going to do a video of them installing the window, but because of franchise things, they wouldn't allow it. They said they would like to allow it for the free advertisement, but because it's a franchise, they couldn't do it because of patent reasons. That's what they told me. That's what they said. But anyway, guys, it's the windshield is installed, so I'm good now until the next rock splits it. Yeah, and that's about all. That's about it. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Southside Boy Style is out.